Working with data types in Python. In this lesson, we'll explore the fundamental data types in Python and learn how to use them effectively in our programs. We'll cover integers, floats, strings, and booleans, and see how Python assigns data types automatically based on the values we provide. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of data types and be ready to apply this knowledge in practical examples. So what we'll be doing? We'll be introducing data types and their importance in Python. We'll be exploring common data types such as integers for whole numbers, floats for numbers with decimal points, strings for text data, booleans for true-false values. We'll try to understand how Python determines data types automatically. We'll discuss why data types matter for correct operations and memory usage. And we'll learn how to check data types using type function. Then we'll be applying data types in different practical examples. So data types are essential in Python because they define how the language interprets and manipulates different kinds of data. Think of data types as labeled boxes or containers that store specific types of information. Python provides several built-in data types, such as integers and floats, each designed to handle particular kinds of data efficiently. Integers, or int, an abbreviation, are used for whole numbers, both positive and negative, without any decimal points. Floats represent numbers with decimal points, allowing for more precise calculations. Strings, or str, are used to store and manipulate text data, such as names, addresses, or messages. Booleans, or bool, are special data types that can only have two possible values, true or false. They are often used for logical operations and conditional statements. Now, Python is a dynamically typed language, which means it automatically determines the data type of a variable based on the value assigned to it. This makes Python very flexible and easy to use, as you don't need to explicitly declare the data type of a variable before using it. Understanding data types is crucial for performing the correct operations on your data. For example, you can add two integers or two floats, but you cannot directly add an integer and a string. Python needs to know the data type to determine the appropriate actions to take. Additionally, different data types occupy varying amounts of memory, so understanding data types helps to optimize memory usage in your programs. To check the data type of a variable, you can use the built-in type function. Simply pass the variable as an argument to type function, and it will return the data type of that variable. Now that you have a good grasp of data type in Python, it's time to put this knowledge into practical examples. In the upcoming demo lesson, we'll create a file with several examples demonstrating how to work with integers, floats, strings, and booleans. We'll also be using the print function to display this information.